Unlock the power of Printify and Amazon to build your own dropshipping empire, one custom product at a time. First, let's get your Printify account set up. Head over to Printify's website and click on Sign Up. You'll need a valid email address and a password. Once you've created your account, navigate to your account settings and, importantly, connect your payment method. This is where Printify will handle all your product costs. Now for the fun part, your product selection. Browse through Printify's extensive catalog. Look for items that have good reviews, reasonable pricing, and a wide range of sizes and colors. For Amazon dropshipping, popular items like shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases are excellent starting points. Pay attention to production times and shipping costs, as these will impact your customer experience. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to make it yours. Click Create Product. You'll be taken to Printify's intuitive product editor. Upload your unique designs, logos, or artwork. You can adjust the placement, scale, and even add text. Experiment with different mockups to see how your design looks. Remember, clear, high-resolution artwork is key for a professional finish. With your product designed, it's time to get it listed on Amazon in Printify. After saving your product, you'll see an option to publish to Amazon. Click this. You'll then be prompted to connect your Amazon seller account to Printify. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to authorize the connection. Printify will automatically generate a draft listing for your product on Amazon. You'll then have the opportunity to refine it. Write a compelling product title and a detailed keyword description. Set your pricing, ensuring you factor in Printify's base cost, shipping, Amazon's fees, and your desired profit margin. Choose appropriate categories and add relevant keywords for searchability. And the magic of dropshipping means you don't handle inventory. When a customer purchases your product on Amazon, the order will automatically appear in your Printify order list. Printify takes care of printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. You'll be notified when the order is processed and shipped, and Printify will even update the tracking information on your Amazon listing. And that's how you leverage Printify with Amazon for a seamless dropshipping business. Start creating, start selling, and watch your e-commerce venture grow.